Hello fam, what's happening? It's Robin. I'm going to share a wheel swap. Awesome. Huh. Nice. I'm going to say it. You want to bet freaking sell I can't want to take off pay with unconditional love of a child. I do customers like that. And people don't want to speak the truth. It really does. It really makes me cross when my family knew about that and they didn't want to come forward about it. And yet I get grievance from people about being attracted to a woman, and yet my father is the one who signed. And that's a major hit. You want to bet. And I knew it was a prelude, not an accord. They weren't there with me, my female partners. And that's for certain. Because I would happily bring my ex-wife's immigration information on any of these ones. And I don't like what I call crackbackies. Especially when that seems to be more important. Not in and of itself, weed's a lot safer for your body. Especially when you eat it holistically.